Question from CAT 2024, slot 1. A shop wants to sell a certain quantity of grains. It sells half the quantity and an additional 3 kg of these grains to the first customer. Then it sells half of the remaining quantity. Now look at this. Let's say initially he started with 2x kg. He sells what? X. So he should be left with X more. But he gives 3 more kg to the customer. So I'll have to add 3 here and subtract 3 from here. So this is the remaining one. Then what he did? Then it sells half of the remaining quantity and additional 3 kg of these grains to the second customer. So half will be x minus 3 by 2. You should be left with x minus 3 by 2 here. But you gave 3 more kg to the customer, so you'll have to subtract 3 from here. So this is the quantity of grains left after the second customer. Finally, when the shop sells half of the remaining quantity and additional 3 kg of these grains to the third customer, there are no grains left. So I'm going to sell half of this. Half of x minus 3 by 2 minus 3. So I should be left with what? Half of x minus 3 by 2 minus 3. But I gave 3 more kg to the third customer, so I should subtract 3 from here. So this is the final quantity left with the shopkeeper, which is given equal to what? 0. So when you solve this equation, you'll get the value of x here. So you'll get x equal to 21. So if x equal to 21, then 2x becomes how much? 42. Yes or no? So can we solve this question in the reverse order? This was the traditional method. Now let's look at this. Finally, when the shop sells half of the remaining quantity, an additional 3 kg of these grains to the third customer, there are no grains left. So he's not left with what? Any quantity, 0. Before that, he was left with 3 kg. And I know that before this 3, I've already given half of the kg, half of the quantity to the third customer. That means I should be left with 6 kg of grains before I give anything to the third customer. Now, before this, I have given 3 kg to the second customer. That means if I don't give 3 kg to the second customer, I should be left with 9 kg. And before this, I have given half of the quantity to the second customer. That means I should be left with 18 kg before I give anything to the second customer. Now, before this, I've given 3 kg to the first customer. That means I should have left with 21 kg. And before this, I've given half of the quantity to the first customer. So if I don't give anything to him, I should be left with how much? 42 kg. So the correct answer must be 42 kg here.